Hello again. Now in this part I'm going to be teaching you the directions and the locations. Okay, so let's start with the first word, the word above. We call it فوق. فوق. Again, فوق. فوق. Then we have the word below. Below. We call it تحت. 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 Then the word inside, we have two words to describe the word inside. We either can say the word جوه, 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 or the word في, في, جوه or في, both are right. جوه or في. Then we have the word right, we call it يمين, يمين. Again, yeah, يمين, يمين. I want to hear it from you. Again, one more. Great. Okay. Now, what about the word left? We call it شمال, شمال, شمال. Got it? شمال. Okay. What about the word straight? Straight, we call it على طول, على طول, على طول. If I want to say it fast, it's gonna be like على طول, على طول, على طول. Got it? So على طول means straight. Okay, what about the word U-turn? It's the good news over here that in Egypt also we call the U-turn as a U-turn. Same as English exactly. No difference, okay? That's all for this part. Now, for now, let's go to the next part.